Hey guys, my name is Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright, so today I'm going to be sharing with you the Flylady baby step that really changed my life. I have recently just gone through the Flylady's 31 baby steps. It was a huge success for me. I learned a lot, I implemented a lot, and I'm seeing a lot of changes in me and in my house. Now there's one particular baby step that I didn't think I was going to like. I thought it was kind of dumb. I didn't really see the point, but I made myself do it anyway. And in doing this, it seriously has changed so much for me. Now, let me just tell you this little bit. I am a procrastinator. I procrastinate all the things. I procrastinate cleaning. I procrastinate projects. I procrastinate a lot of things. And it's something that I've always done, but I'm really and truly working on this. The number one thing that I have always procrastinated when it came to cleaning my house was cleaning bathrooms. We have 3 bathrooms and I do not like to clean them. I found that every week when I was doing my cleaning, I found a way to put off the bathrooms. There were times when I've done other different cleaning routines and things like that, and when I had bathrooms on one day, for whatever reason, I always just tried to procrastinate that, skip it, leave it for later. I just didn't want to do it. On day number 24 of the 31 baby steps, we added a swish and swipe. Y'all, this has been life-changing for me. Seriously, it takes me 5 minutes or less to wipe down our main bathroom, which is also our master bathroom. I also go upstairs and I do a quick swish and swipe of the 2 bathrooms we have upstairs. So in total, it takes me 5 minutes or less to swish and swipe 3 bathrooms. Y'all, this has been huge. Our bathrooms are staying clean because I go up there, I do a quick swish in the toilet, I do a quick wipe down of the toilet and the sink and faucet and counter, and I'm done. I do it every day, takes me less than 5 minutes, and I don't have to scrub bathrooms anymore. I don't have to dread cleaning bathrooms anymore. I don't have to procrastinate and put off cleaning bathrooms anymore. Someone can stop at my house anytime and I'm not scared that my boys' bathrooms are nasty. We've got 2 bathrooms upstairs. The only people that use them are my children. I have 2 boys. I never wanted people to go up there. Now they can totally go up there. I can go up there and use the restroom now, and it's totally fine. If you struggle with procrastinating cleaning bathrooms, whether you do the Flylady cleaning system or any other kind of cleaning routine, I highly suggest and recommend adding a quick swish and swipe to your routine. Put it in there somewhere so that you're doing it every single day. I have made this a part of my morning routine and I do keep it very simple. I go to my laundry room, I grab 3 of the make a size paper towels. That's 1 for each toilet. I'm able to wipe each toilet down with 1 little section. I grab 1 bottle of cleaner. It's just a very mild cleaner that I use. And then I also grab 1 microfiber cloth. I also have a toilet brush in all 3 bathrooms next to the toilet. I did kind of a demo of how I do this in the day number 24 video, so you can see how I do it. I walk in the bathroom, I spray everything down real quick, I wipe down the counter with my microfiber cloth, and then I wipe down the toilet, swish it out, done. Move to the next one. I use a separate paper towel obviously on every toilet, and then I know I'm talking with my hands, and then the microfiber cloth that I use, I just rinse it out in between each sink, and I use it for all 3 sinks. Done. I come downstairs, I put my cleaner away, I put my cleaning cloth in the bin that it goes in the laundry room, and I'm done. Super easy. It has made such a difference in my life. So if you're not doing it, try it. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I really just wanted to share with you that one baby step has made such a difference for me. So definitely try it out if you aren't already doing this. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you're new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys soon.